It's Matt and Haley here. We're going to go over Lab 6, which is the appendicular muscular system. So if we come in and zoom on this guy, once again, this is preset number 7 for Lab 6, appendicular muscles. We have got the we've grouped them by colors. So we've got pink here, which are all the quadricep muscles. We can turn this on and get different names for each of them. If you want to look at the vastus intermedius, we can turn off the rectus femoris, look at the vastus intermedius, turn rectus femoris back on if we'd like to. Make sure you talk to the students about how this group of these groups of muscles are going to be performing different actions. So the quadriceps, these 4 muscles, will be extending the leg. We have got the tensor fasciae latae and the sartorius. Those are both hip flexors. We can rotate this way and look at the different adductors of the thigh. We included the pectineus. You won't be quizzing on that, but we threw it in there just so you could see it a little bit better. We have included the IT band here. It's not a muscle, but it's a whole bunch of fascia, right? And just remember the tensor fasciae latae is going on to the IT band, iliotibial band. Also very important to know about, so you can go ahead and tell the students about that, how it's just a bunch of fascia. It's not a tendon or anything, it's just fascia. We have got on the posterior aspect the gluteal muscles here, which are going to be major hip extensors. And we can look here and see all the different types. So that's the bone, but you can look here at the different types of gluteal muscles. You can look on the inside, so this way you don't have to take apart the model. It's a good clean view of that, so that should be able to help the students pretty good. Flip Carl back over. We can look at the group of hamstrings here, which are going to be leg flexors. Those are also really good to mention. So when it comes to the thigh, we've grouped all the muscles together so you can get a good clear view of those. With the forearm, we've kind of done the same thing. On the posterior compartment of the forearm, we've got extensors. All of them are attaching to this aspect there of the humerus, the lateral epicondyle. They will be extending the wrist. We've got the abductor and extensor pollicis group over here. We'll flip over to this side so we can check out the anterior compartment of the forearm. All of these are going to be wrist flexors attaching to the medial epicondyle, and we also included the brachioradialis here, which is going to be a forearm flexor. Like I said before, this is just grouping all of these muscles together by their action. Hopefully this is going to clarify some confusion for students because the models do get kind of confusing. So here you go.